Once in a decade snowfall happened. You are just watching. That's my mom clearing the snow. That's my brother in the corner, and my dad is making video. And far there, that's my neighbor. It looks like that's her daughter and the mother. So this is a rare moment after a whole decade. We are witnessing here a massive 3-foot snowfall just happened this year. It's February now, 2025. And my mom, dad, brothers, as a teamwork, they are just doing the work, nothing but shovel and teamwork. It is not just about the hard work. Here, this is my village. You can just see the side, the snow-capped snow, far mountain. This is all you see in the mountain. It's about nature's cycle. This snowfall isn't just winter wonder. It is blessing for the next season as well. As this snow melts, it feeds our glaciers and streams, ensuring fresh water for the coming month. This month, it just spring started in another world, but here in Zanskar Ladakh, it's just the mid of the winter. But yes, as a season, it changed. But we have to just enjoy with the snow. Moments like this remind us the nature's beauty and power. A challenge today, but gift for tomorrow. So now we are going to take a tea break. My mom is going to come with a tea, and then that is like kambir in Leh language we say. So this is tea and some Tibetan bread, Ladakhi bread. Tea time, tea break. And now, look at her. She wants to open that lip balm for herself, and she's the most cute girl in the world. Our love.